Segway GT2 limited edition Transformers edition. Here is a brief unboxing. When you get it open, you'll find this if you're facing from the top down. You will also notice if you live upstairs, you might need more than one person. Actually, you probably will need more than one person to get it up the stairs because this is about 125 pounds, if not a little more. And it's a big box. Okay, so we're going to take out this empty box. And over here, you have what appear to be some thank yous from Segway. Here you have the instructor's manual as well as a extender for the air pump. So you can put air in the tires. Here's one of the controllers that retails for about $129. And of course, you know that the GT2 has two power supplies, 2 ports, so you can charge them twice as fast, but it only includes one. You could buy the second one for $129. Let's remove this here. Oh wow, it comes with a Bluetooth speaker that you can attach to the machine. Here it comes with this box that says Transformers, and inside is a metal plaque that says Transformers on it. And here's a pin so you can hold it up. Nice touch for the limited edition. There's a magnet at the end of this box which enables it to close, so there's no Velcro or tape. Okay, so we're finally reaching the scooter under all the styrofoam. Put this to the side, and here we have the scooter in its different sections. And I was wrong, it includes both chargers. That's amazing. Good job, Segway. Putting Boro motors and the eMove Cruiser to shame so far. Here are the other end of the plugs that go into the chargers. Put this to the side. This explains why the box was so heavy. All these extra features and equipment that comes inside of the box. Nicely packed. Here's this piece here. Let's put it to the side. Let's not lose it. It might come in handy. And as you're unpacking it, you might want to keep everything together so you will not lose it. And so far, I have unpacked about 4 pieces of high impact styrofoam with about 3 more pieces to go. Here are the handlebars, and this will snap into the neck. Let's get that done. Let's take it out first. Let's continue unpacking. And here I'm going to line up the screw holes on the neck with the screw holes on the handlebars. Put it in. And here it is in. We'll chuck away another piece of styrofoam. Here's a box. And just so you know, this box is sealed, but it is empty, just like the other one we chucked to the corner. It's just for extra protection of the product. At the top here, you'll see the power button that you hold down. You'll turn this LCD screen on. Here you have the different modes. Here on the sides, the brakes. Here are the directional signals if you're gonna make a right turn. See there? Here's press there if you're gonna make a left turn. It's reflective on the wheel. Let's just turn it off for a second. Just by holding the power button, and now it's off. And here the tightening tool. Tightening wrench, as well as the screws that you need to secure the steering wheel to the neck, are all present inside the bag that holds the instructions. And just so you know, on the bag it says do not use an electric screwdriver to tighten these. Screws there, 2 screws there, and 2 screws on this side, a total of 6. All the screws have a blue coloring, blue paint, to where you're going to pre-tighten them before you securely tighten them with the tightening tool. This is also important to note. You're going to install the 6 screws in the order in which you see on the diagram here. It's not just put them all wherever they fit. You have to install them in the order of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, as you see pictured below. I hope this helps. Leave it there for a little bit longer. So according to this, the first screw is going to be in the back and at the top back. Just to make it clearer, you're going to install this one first, then this one, then this one third, then this one fourth, all right? The one below fifth, and the last one you're going to install is going to be the one under here, in that order. And once it's finished, here is how it will look. Done.